This video is going to be one of the best video I have ever made on my channel. Because in this video, I am going to teach you how to think in English. Stay with me till the end. I am going to teach you exactly how to think in English. And after watching this video, you will no need to watch any other video on how to think in English, because I am going to clear the concept of how to think in this language. And the way I am going to teach you is going to be the way that I think you have never been taught. Okay, so let's get started and talk about how to think in this language. But before I talk about the way you are going to think in English, let me talk about the benefit of thinking in this language. When you think in this language, you no longer need to translate your mother tongue to English. When you don't think in this language, you speak too slow. You speak like it appears that you are translating in your head. Like the other person that you are talking to knows that you are translating in your head. And that's what you shouldn't be doing ever if you want to speak English fluently. Some people say in my comment section that I show off my English. But let me tell you that my intention has never been about showing off my English. I just want to let you know that if I can speak English fluently, coming from such a very small village, neither I had any partner to talk in English, nor I had any guidance. But despite not having both these things, I managed to be able to think in this language. I managed to be able to talk clearly in this language. I am not saying that I have perfected my English spoken, but I am all saying is there are people who are not that good, who are below my level. I want to teach those. If you are better than me, if you can speak better English than me, just don't watch this video. But if you are someone who think that I can teach you something, then watch this video till the end, and I am going to exactly teach you how to think in English. So the benefit of thinking in English is you no longer need to translate your mother tongue. You speak effortlessly while talking in this language. So because let me ask you something, do you think, like, do you translate your mother tongue from some other language? You don't. And that's the reason you speak effortlessly in your mother tongue. That's the reason that you speak fluently in your mother tongue. And that's what I want you to do. And I know that you have watched countless of videos on how to think in English, but none of those videos helped you, because if those videos would have helped, you would not be watching this video. So in this video, I want to clarify one very important thing. Like, thinking in English is going to help you a lot. Thinking in English is going to make you a fluent speaker. There's no doubt about it. And let me also tell you that I am not prepared for this video. I don't have any script written for this video. I am just making this video on the spot. And I wanted to tell you that, yeah, it is possible for you to think in English, no matter where you are, no matter which, like what your background is, you can always think in this language. You can always learn to think in this language. So I am assuming that you have watched countless of videos from where you have learned to, like, you know how to think in this language. But the problem is not that you don't know how to think in English. You know how to think in English. You must have watched a lot of videos on that. You know, think in sentences, do that, do this, you know all of that. That is not the problem. The problem is you are not get used to think in this language. How do we do that? How do I do that? Let me tell you. No matter how hard you try, let me be very clear here. No matter how hard you try, you can't think in this language, or you can't think in English until or unless you start speaking this language 80% of the day. Yeah, in order to make yourself get used to think in this language, you must speak this language 80% of the time. If you speak 70 to 80% of your mother tongue, you tend to think in your mother tongue. Nothing can help you thinking in this language. No matter how many rules you know to think in this language, nothing is going to help you think in this language unless you start speaking this language. So the main point here is, if you want to think in this language, you must have to be talking in this language 70 to 80% of the time. You must have to talk. The way I started thinking in this language is when I started speaking this language 70% of the time. I speak 30% of my mother tongue, and then 70% of the time I speak in I speak in English. There's no way, no matter how many rules you know how to think in English. Level things in English. Start, whatever you see around you, start seeing those things. Then once you are done with all those things, move on to the second phase, which is start thinking in sentences. Then start thinking in paragraph. Follow this system. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you want to think in English, start speaking 70 to 80% of this language. This has the power to make you a fluent speaker. And one more thing, knowing the rules to think in English has nothing to do with thinking in English. If I know the rules, doesn't mean I will start thinking in this language. No matter how many videos you watched on how to think in English, the one thing that I am very clear about is, until or unless you start speaking 70 to 80% of the day, you will never think in English. If you are speaking 70 to 80% of the time your mother tongue and you want to think in English, this is never going to happen. You tend to think in your mother tongue. So if you want to accustom yourself to thinking in this language, if you want to get used to thinking in this language, the best way you can do that is start speaking this language 70 to 80% of the time. So the question here is, the problem that you may have right now is, Gulshan, we don't have any partner to speak this language. Who do we practice with? Let me tell you. What do you do when you practice with your partner? What do you do? You speak this language? You talk in English? That's what you do. So if having a partner means talking to that partner in English, then if you don't have partner, just talk. Just talk. What do you do? When you have a partner, you talk to that person. So when you don't have that partner, what do you do is talk to yourself. Either way, you are going to practice. You are going to train your tongue. You are going to train your mind. If I just had thought of having a partner, then I would start speaking in this language. I would have never been able to speak this language fluently. Never. So the only way you are going to think in this language is when you start speaking more of this language. At the end of this video, I just want to tell you, if you found this video to be helpful, if you found the best way to think in this language, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you share this video with your friends, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, because it motivates me to make more videos.